Drawing an ideal anime character can be challenging, but starting with human proportions makes it easier. Begin by drawing a head and lightly sketching a vertical line that's 6.5 times the head's height as a guide for symmetry. Create an hourglass shape for the torso, ensuring the shoulders are wider than the head, and sketch the arms extending from the shoulders with circles for the elbows and wrists. For the legs, start by drawing tubes extending down 1.5 head lengths for the thighs. Then draw circles in the tubes to represent the knee joints. Continue drawing the lower legs so they're the same length as the upper legs before adding circles for the ankle joints, and add trapezoid shapes for the feet. After erasing the guidelines, sketch facial features, hair, and clothing, using references for realism. Remember that male characters usually have longer, narrower faces, while female characters have softer features. And practice different hairstyles on tracing paper before committing to one. With time and practice, you'll be able to draw any anime character you envision.